Assalamu alaikum, this is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, we have to click on here. Then I have to select insert from here. Then I have to click on this box. Then I have to F8 3.5. Then I have to click on this box. Then I have to F8 2. Then I have to click on the OK. After set up the page, I have to select the shape tool from here. Then I have to draw this shape in here. Then I have to increase the pixels from here. Then I have to select this. Then I have to rotate the shape. Then I have to drag the shape in here. Then I have to select the pen tool from here. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here, here, and here. After I have to select the pen tool from here again, then I have to click on here, then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to click on here, then I have to press and hold alt key, then I have to click on anchor point, then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here, here, and here. Then select the move tool from here. After that, you have to select the shape tool again. Then I have to draw this shape in here. Then click on here. Then select the red color from here. Then select this shape. Then increase the pixels from here. Then increase the size of this shape. Then rotate this shape. Then increase the size of this shape again. Then press and hold alt key. Then take off from this. After you have to select this layer, then double click on here, then select the red color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then double click on here, then select the red color again, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then click on the liner gradient, then click on here, then drag this in here, then scroll down from here, then click on the reds. Then I have to select this color. Then select this, then click on the color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this, then click on the color. Then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Then click on here, then click on the color, then select this color, then click on the OK. OK. Now we have to rotate the color from here. And click on the OK again. After that, you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on the OK. Then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the drop shadow. Then you have to select this layer again, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. Then you have to select this layer, then press and hold alt key, then take a copy from this layer. Then double click on here, then select the black brown color from here, then click on the OK. Then drag this in here. Then you have to select this layer, then press and hold alt key, then take a copy again. Then double click on here, then select the brown color, then click on the OK. Then drag this in here. After that, you have to set the icons and write a text in here. So now you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set the business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to click on here. Then I have to back to the project. Then I have to unlock all layers from here. Then I have to select all layers from here. Then I have to drag these layers in here. Then I have to set the business card in here. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.